Have you ever dreamed of taking your career to new heights in the UK? What if I told you there is a visa that can make that dream a reality? I am more than happy to share with you my own story of successfully applying for the Global Talent Visa under the Exceptional Talent category. This is not just another visa guide, it's a story of transforming challenges into opportunities and making a real impact. The Global Talent Visa is for innovators, leaders, and pioneers at the forefront of their fields. It is the recognition of potential for driving growth in the UK in technology, arts, and sciences. With unbeatable perks such as freedom to work without a sponsor, flexibility in choosing your path, and fast track to settlement, the Global Talent Visa is one not to be missed. So, buckle up and join me as I walk through my journey step by step, sharing with you insider tips and practical insights along with the way. First, let's see what are the documents that are required. The important documents that you will require are a good CV, a strong personal statement, good letters of recommendation, and proof that you have met the criteria for the visa. Let's start with the CV, which is your career story. Your CV is the heart of your application. For me, it was articulating a compelling narrative of growth and impact within the 3 page limit that Tech Nation prescribes. I singled out three game changing projects. First, AI model that revolutionized TB detection in underreserved regions. Second, innovation reducing genetic diagnosis times for retinal diseases from years to seconds. And third, AI powered COVID 19 detection tools making global headlines. Each project was a chapter in my story of applying to real world problems with a measurable impact. Next is the personal statement, which defines your vision. The personal statement is where your story comes alive. I spoke about my journey from humble origins in India to becoming a leader in healthcare AI in the UK. I spoke about progression and vision from mentoring the next generation of AI professionals to aligning my work with the UK's strategic goals in technology and innovation. Now, most important i- are recommendation letters. These are your endorsements and they must reflect your excellence. So first letter that I got is like a, from City of Innopolis, which highlighted my pivotal role in transforming genetic diagnosis in ophthalmology. Second was from an engineer, senior engineer from John Deere, who each was detailing my boundary about pushing work in medical imaging using GANs. The third was from Vice Chancellor of MUHS, India, which was underlining my leadership in healthcare in AI research and innovation. All the letters were personal specific and addressed the global talent visa requirements. Next, for the meeting the criteria, there are the evidences that speak that demonstrate my exceptional ability. I submitted the following types of evidences. So first was pay slips indicating my very high salary way above industry standards. Second was project impact reports which was quantifying the reduction in diagnostic times and cost achieved with my AI solutions. And next was awards. So I got awards for validating my innovation approach in AI development. So now in innovation, you can demonstrate various things. I demonstrated my tuberculosis detection tools and up US patent details. Next, in recognition, I've proven my publications through different journals, which were like JAMA Ophthalmology and Ophthalmology Science. Next significant contribution was highlighted to the leadership roles in transforming healthcare projects. Putting it all together was the main key. What I do is like I put everything in single document with precision that it is clear and easy to review. Most importantly, it is a story that you have to tell, and your application is your narrative. So you have to show how you are accomplished what and what's the vision that you are going to bring in the UK and what will be the innovation and growth. Finally, I submitted it to Tech Nation portal and got approval after around 3 weeks. But feeling a bit overwhelmed, so I have been there, which is why I offer a consultancy service to help guide you through the process. You can make your dream of relocating to the UK a reality. So contact via the email in the description below and let's do this together. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech, career and visa insights. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments and I will try to clear your doubts. Thanks And if you like my channel and or wanted to see more content like this, please follow and subscribe, and I will be helping to navigate through this. See you in the next video. Bye.